everyone, my name is Nidhi and welcome back to Education Fantasy. Okay, so ये वीडियो लेक्चर वीडियो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, but this video is very much important from exam point of view. Yes, because due to this pandemic, nobody knows कि स्कूल कॉलेजेस कब तक रिओपन होंगे, है ना? बट एग्जाम्स तो होने ही वाले हैं. एग्जाम कैंसिलेशन को लेकर कोई भी न्यूज गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से अभी तक तो नहीं आई है. सो पढ़ाई तो हमें करनी ही पड़ेगी, राइट? बट स्टूडेंट्स का बर्डन कम करने के लिए हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने 25% सिलेबस कैंसिल कर दिया है फ्रॉम फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड टू 12th स्टैंडर्ड तक सारे बोर्ड्स का, राइट? विच इज अ ग्रेट न्यूज फॉर यू ऑल. बट अब बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का डाउट ये है 25% कैंसिल तो कर दिया है सिलेबस, विच इज नाइस, बट उस 25% में से क्या क्या चीजें कैंसिल की गई हैं एंड व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू स्टडी फ्रॉम एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, right? So after considering all this question we have came up with this video. Okay, so मैं इस वीडियो में आपको साइंस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताऊंगी फ्रॉम 5th स्टैंडर्ड से लेके 8th स्टैंडर्ड तक. ओके, A to Z आई विल टेल यू, चैप्टर वाइज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि क्या क्या चीजें कैंसिल हुई हैं. ओके, सो आप चाहे तो मार्क कर सकते हैं अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में अगर आपके पास हो तो, अगर नहीं है तो नो वरीज, आप इस वीडियो को डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं या फिर सेव करके रख लें, योर विश. ओके, so let's start. Okay, so now you can see the content page of 5th standard science textbook is visible on your screen. Okay, so you can see कि मैंने कुछ चैप्टर्स को मार्क किया हुआ है, लाइक चैप्टर नंबर 1, 2, 3, then 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, then 17th, then 20th चैप्टर. ओके, सो ये जो चैप्टर्स को मैंने मार्क किया हुआ है, ये चैप्टर आपको एज इट इज़ एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ना है, मतलब इनमें से कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं है. डायरेक्टली चेंजेस स्टार्ट होता है चैप्टर नंबर 4 से. Okay, so let's move on to chapter number 4, that is page number 18. Okay, so page number 18 में you can see कि मैंने जो चीज़ें सर्कल की हुई है ये सारी चीज़ें कैंसिल है. Okay, next is page number 19. This whole picture which you can see has been cancelled. Okay, next is page number 23, activity first. Okay, has been cancelled. Next is chapter number 12, page number 59. Okay, this part has been cancelled. Then page number 61, this whole thing has been cancelled. Then page number 62, this do you know has been cancelled. Next is page number 63, activity third has been cancelled. Now moving on to chapter number 13, page number 64. Okay, this can you tell part has been cancelled. Moving to page 65, it is the continuation of the same this can you tell part that which was on page number 64. Okay, so moving on to page number 67, this do you know part has been cancelled. Next is chapter number 14, page 68, nothing is from this page. Directly move to page 69, can you tell this part has been cancelled. Okay, next is 71 page number, this do you know part has been cancelled. Next is chapter number 15, page 73, do you know this has been cancelled. Page 74, this diagram or this picture which you can see can you tell has been cancelled. And same goes for 75, it is the continuation part of this diagram. Okay, next is chapter number 16, page 77, can you recall has been cancelled, then can you tell has been cancelled. Next is page number 80, this is obtain information and discuss has been cancelled. Next is page 81, activity second has been cancelled. Next moving to chapter number 18, that is page number 89, okay, can you tell has been cancelled. Moving to page 91, can you tell again, do you know has been cancelled. Page 92, speak your mind and discuss, this part has been cancelled from this page. Next is page number 95, activity second has been cancelled. Next moving to chapter number 19, okay, page number 96, this try this and do you know part has been cancelled. Next is page number 98, use your brain power has been cancelled. Next is page number 99, can you tell has been cancelled. Next is page number 100, use your brain power this has been cancelled. Page 101, do you know, has been cancelled. Then 102 page number, activity second, has been cancelled. Now moving to chapter 21, that is page number 107. This can you recall, whole part is cancelled. Okay. Then page number 108, do you know, has been cancelled. So page number 110, this do you know, only first para has been cancelled from this. Next is page number 113, do you know, this has been cancelled. Now moving to chapter number 22, 115 page number, can you tell, has been cancelled from this page. Page number 117, use your brain power, this part has been cancelled. Moving to page 118, read and reflect, this whole part has been cancelled. Page number 119, it is a continuation of page number 118, okay, has been cancelled. Next is chapter number 23, page number 121, this can you tell, which you can see on the top, is been cancelled. Next is moving to page number 125, do you know, has been cancelled. Okay, so here I think our chapter ends. Yes, here our chapter ends. Okay, so this was the last chapter of 5th class. Okay, so now moving on to 6th standard. Okay, so now you can see the 6th standard science textbook content page is visible on your screen. Okay, so as you can see कि यहाँ पे मैंने सिर्फ एक ही चैप्टर को मार्क किया हुआ है, दैट इज़ चैप्टर नंबर 9. ओके, तो चैप्टर नंबर 9 आपको एज इट इज़ एग्ज़ाम के लिए पढ़ना है. ये चैप्टर में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं हैं. ओके, सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू चैप्टर नंबर 1, पेज नंबर 3. डायरेक्टली यहीं से चेंजेस स्टार्ट होता है. ओके, सो ऑन पेज नंबर 3 दिस पार्ट विच यू कैन सी, मैंने जो सर्कल किया हुआ है वो चीज़ें कैंसिल हैं. ओके, सो पेज नंबर 3. नाउ पेज नंबर 4, this part has been cancelled, find out. Okay, next is page number 7, this part which you can see, I have encircled institute at work, do you know, and try this out. Okay, now moving to chapter number 2, page number 9. Directly moving to page number 14 because changes यहीं से start हो रहे हैं. So this part has been cancelled. Then page number 15, institutes at work, this part has been cancelled. Next is page 16, find out and always remember, this part has been cancelled. Now moving to chapter number 3, page number 20, directly. Okay, observe and discuss, this part has been cancelled from this chapter. Next is page number 22, do you know, this part has been cancelled. Next is page number 23, try this out, this part has been cancelled. Now 24, again try this part has been cancelled from this page. Next is chapter number 4, page number 26. Directly moving to page number 28, institutes at work, this part has been cancelled. Next is chapter number 5, page 32, in the past, this part is cancelled. Then page number 36, this part has been cancelled. Then page number 40, this science watch has been cancelled. So now moving to chapter number 6, page 42. Directly moving to page 45. Okay, do you know, in the past, this part has been cancelled. Then page number 46, this 3 paragraphs which you can see, do you know, find out, and do you know, this part has been cancelled from this page. Next is page number 48, science watch, this part has been cancelled. Now moving to chapter number 7, nutrition and diet, that is page number 50, no changes from this page. Page number 53, in the past, this part has been cancelled. Okay, so I think chapter number 7 में इतना ही changes है. Now moving to chapter number 8, page number 57. Can you recall, this part has been cancelled. Now next is page number 61. Observe and discuss. This part has been cancelled. Now moving to chapter number 10, page number 70. But directly moving to page number 71. In the past, this part which you can see I have encircled. This part has been cancelled. Next is page number 72. Do you know? This part has been cancelled. And find out and discuss. This part is also cancelled. Moving to page 74. A little fun. This part has been cancelled. Now moving to chapter number 11. Page number 76. That is, but directly moving to page number 79. This activity part, I guess this is collect information. Okay. This part has been cancelled. Now moving to chapter number 12, page number 84. Directly moving to page 86. In the past, this part you can see has been cancelled. Now next is page number 89. Do you know? Science watch. This part has been cancelled. Moving to page 91, chapter 13. Directly moving to page number 95. Okay. Believe it or not, this part has been cancelled from this chapter. Moving to chapter number 14. Okay, page number 97. But directly moving to page 98. Do you know? And let's try this has been cancelled from chapter number 14. Now moving to same chapter actually, page number 102. Okay, this do you know part has been cancelled. Now moving to chapter number 15, page number 105, but directly moving to page 106. In the past, this part has been cancelled from this chapter. And then page number 109. This entire part in the past has been cancelled. Okay. Then next is page 110. This do you know part and always remember has been cancelled from chapter number 15. Now moving to chapter number 16. Okay, page number 112. This observe and discuss part has been cancelled. Then on page number 116, this find out part has been cancelled. Next is page number 117. This do you know and a bit of fun and in the past. This 3 paras has been cancelled. Okay, so I guess this was the last page. Yes, and last chapter of 6th standard science textbook. Okay. So here we are done with marking up the paragraphs and points for cancelled syllabus or reduced syllabus of 5th standard and 6th standard science subject. In the next video, you will get the markings for reduced syllabus of 7th standard and 8th standard science subject. So since this video was getting too long, therefore we have made part 2 on the same concept so that you guys won't get confused. Okay, so stay tuned, stay safe and keep